Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You're watching All Season Gardening. Today I show you my plant collection and a tour of my garden. This is a Chinese evergreen plant. It comes in many different varieties and one of the easiest indoor house plant to grow. It's an air purifying plant. It removes toxins like formaldehyde and xylene. ZZ plant. It's a very different and beautiful foliage. I kept this plant in direct sunlight. Mini jasmine. You can see a lot of flowers are blooming this time on this plant. Which which is giving a healing effect. Syngonium, podophyllum. It's a plant that is easily grown from cuttings. Mini jasmine again. Syngonium vine. Mini jasmine. Rose plant. Money plant. This is a fruiting plant. This is Mosami plant. A closer view. This is a grapevine. I tried to show grapes on it. These are the grapes. Rest I harvested. Friends, if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel for more such content and information. This is a permanent beautiful plant. Share this video with friends, family and relatives. This is a mango tree. Lot of mangoes because this is mango season. See? I try to show closer view. You can see the mangoes. This plant is a favorite. This is the best fruiting plant. If you can add in your collection. This is Dracaena reflexa, or you can say Song of India. It can also be propagated easily from cuttings. The foliage is beautiful and it's pretty good plant. Yes, you can also add it in your collection. This umbrella tree, or you can sclezoflera plant. If you like this video, press the like button and also add a comment. Snake plant. or sansevieria. These are another beautiful plants. Dracena reflexa. It's a permanent plant. Beautiful different foliage. See? This is Guava plant. It's again a fruiting plant. This is areca palm. This is the air purifying plant and very beautiful foliage plant. It gives a tropical vibe to your house if you add in your collection. Another beautiful plant. Rose plant. Ficus. Mussenda flowering plant. Curdy leaf plant. This plant is also propagated from cuttings. This is a Dracena variety. I kept this plant in indirect sunlight. Syngonium. This plant is easily propagated in water. And looks beautiful. This is a hanging basket plant. Looks so beautiful. See? Rio plant. Permanent plants. Dracena reflexa. Hope you like the video. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.